Apple's latest iPad mini, the fourth generation model to be exact, helps to diversify the company's portfolio, which recently got expanded with the introduction of the iPad Pro. But for those looking to keep it slim, compact, and simple, the iPad mini 4 is always worth the look. However, are there enough improvements and upgrades to warrant a refresh, or an incentive to upgrade? The package contains Apple iPad mini 4, wall charger, lightning cable, Apple decals, user's start guide. There's no shortage of peppiness with this one. Better, faster, and yes, it's stronger too, thanks to the new Apple A8 chipset that's under the hood and powering the iPad mini 4. This dual-core 1.5 GHz configuration based on 64-bit architecture, accompanied by 2 GB of RAM and the PowerVR GX 6450 GPU, is claimed to deliver a 30% improvement with its processing performance, and up to 60% faster graphics rendering as well. The claims, by default, are noteworthy in every respect, but unnecessary to say the least. That's because its real-world performance substantiates what we already know, and it's that the iPad mini 4, just like all the other iPads in Apple's portfolio, delivers an unprecedented responsiveness to everything. Whether it's juggling a couple of apps with its new multitasking features, or running any of today's benchmark gaming titles, the iPad mini 4 is a beast with its performance,